Okay, we're making something really simple. We're making cinnamon apples. Now, I only have 2 apples out because I'm using apples that are about ready to, be ready tossed out for the deer. So that's why I have some that are already cut up. A lot, actually. I have like 5 apples cut up already. And here I have some cinnamon sugar, cinnamon, and then syrup. Now, this is more of a guessing game. It really isn't a set amount of cinnamon or a set amount of sugar or apple or syrup. Basically, you want to cut up the apples, drizzle them with syrup and cinnamon sugar, so that way they look evenly coated. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to make them so that way they're coated completely in cinnamon and sugar, because that'd be bad. That's way overspiced. I mean, it might taste really good, but it might not. I wouldn't dare try, because that's also expensive. Do you know how much cinnamon is? It's expensive, so you add your cinnamon, syrup adding time. You also want to keep an eye a bit on the bottom of the bowl. Make sure you don't make a pond. It'd be a little bad. Get a little extra syrup. You also want to make sure you cover everything. So, you're going to want to use a spoon and stir it up as best as you can. And the reason I'm using a plastic container is because I'm actually going to throw this in the microwave. You can actually do this 10 minutes in the microwave, and you'll get these relatively soft, yet still crispy, cinnamon covered, and warm and delicious apples. Oops. So it looks like it's good. It's ready to go in the microwave. And you do not have to cover it up either. Actually, don't cover it up. Uncovered. And you should be good. You gotta set the time for 10 minutes. So, I did put in a little too much syrup, but I think it still smells and looks beautiful. When you take it and you stir it up a little bit, the seasonings still stick to the apples. That's good. And there's enough in here. And the apples are almost ready to fall apart. And when you've had it all set up in the bowls or cups or whatever you're going to serve them in, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon on top of them, because it adds a little bit of extra flavor from whatever did get left behind in the syrup. Now, these are amazing though, I will tell you that now. But yeah, go ahead, relish in the fact that apples are amazing.